Hi guys! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your company settings in QuickBooks Online. It's a very easy and simple process, so let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu in the top right corner by clicking on this gear icon. Next, click on Account and Settings under the Your Company column. Once you are on the Settings page, the first section you will see is Company Info. As QuickBooks notes, this information may be connected to the business network or used for billing purposes. In this section, you can easily update your company name, address, email, phone number, website, and industry. Next, scroll down to the Legal Info section. This is the information your business uses for tax purposes. Here you can add or edit your legal business name, SSN or employer ID, business type, and your legal address. Lastly, there is the Customer Contact Info section. This is exactly how customers will get in touch with you, so you want to make sure it's accurate. You can update your customer-facing email and your customer address right here. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.